Yeah, and we have to do visualization every single day and go through that process and start creating it. Whatever we're trying to create, we are trying to work around the business, whatever your goals are, personal goals, professional goals, and you can start using this information. And we have to use imagination, and we have to use will, and then we have to use the perception. So let's go through these. What is the meaning of will and perception and the imagination? Imagination is we think in pictures. If I ask you what your front door look like, then picture gonna come. We think in pictures. And if I ask you what your car look like, the picture gonna come in the image of your on the screen of your mind. And we think in pictures, and this is how the mind works. And we're going to use the imagination we're going to use as your tools achieved goals, the way you want to see in images. You have to start living, and you have to start seeing yourself in the present, in already in the present, already achieved goals, using the imagination image of yourself as your goals, the money, or whatever your goals are. You have to start seeing in images. You have to start to see the pictures on the screen of your mind. And then will is a focus. Where we focus, that's what expand, because we are made of energy, and energy is always working to and through us, and always looking forward to expand and grow. And where our focus is, that's what we are creating already. And then we have to focus it on the images of what we want. And the perception is, even the situations are not very good at the moment, and you're trying to achieve your goals, your mind might going to tell you, oh, you haven't got money, you haven't got this, you haven't got that. But you have to change your perception. You can do that. You can, instead of seeing your perception, whatever is happening now, you can change it to see it the way you want to see it. You can start creating it the way you want to see your situation. Even maybe at the moment situation is not good, but opposite, you can start to seeing the way you want to see it is working for you, and everything's the way you want to see it as a positive according to the laws. So we are going to use the will, the perception, and the imagination. So then you're going to start to sit, if on the chair, you can sit on the chair or on the ground, and your back must be straight, and your face must be straight, and then you're going to close your eyes. You can keep it your eyes open if you want to, and then you have to concentrate on the center of your eyebrow, closing your eyes, and then you have to see, just like watching the TV, watching your own on the screen of your mind. You have to see you playing your own movie. You're gonna be your own director of your movie, as your goals, as your life script, and you're going to start seeing yourself the way you want to see it as achieved goals. So imagine you got money, how you would be spending money, maybe buying the house, maybe buying the car, or maybe you be traveling around the world with the family or friends, or even yourself. The way you want to see it, you have to see already on the screen of your mind, and you're doing that already in the present tense. When you're doing that, you are already creating that, because you're giving your will, your power to the creation, and you're using the imagination the way you want to see it, with the feelings. If you're not going to use the feelings, and it's not much happening, because feeling is a vibration. So let's start with the visualization. Sit on the chair, and the back must be straight, and then the mind and your face and your head must be nice and straight, and your closing your eyes, and your concentration must be center of your third eye. And now you have to open your eye and start to see yourself, your own life script. You are the director, you are the producer, and you have to see the way you want to see yourself achieved goals. And or you might be traveling around the world. You will maybe buying the things you love, and things for your house or for the family, or you want to donate the money. And the way you want to see it. Try to relax yourself. Try to put all your focus on what you want and achieved goals. Start seeing yourself in images. Start seeing in a picture. Just use watching your own movie. This is what we call a visionary visualization. And we're seeing achieved goals already through your inner eye. And the process is already happening. The creation process is already happening. And try to stay for a few minutes and put all your focus on every goal, every achieved, the vision, the way you want to see it, everything with your family or the way you want to see your achieved goals, image of yourself, your own movie as a life script. So stay with yourself on the screen of your mind with your own movie playing and do that every day in the morning before you sleep because body is relaxed when you go to sleep or when you get up in the morning and yeah and just keeps watching your own movie and focusing on yourself and using the perception. Even the situation is not very good at the moment, but you're going to create it the way you want to create it, the way you want to see it. And then, of course, using the imagination, image of yourself. So you can use these tools every single day, even you're sitting on the sofa watching the movie or TV, you can start playing your own movie on the screen of your mind. You have to keep staying with your goals, the life script you have written, and your own movie. And this is how you do visualization. Now you can open your eyes and you can share your comments and how you feel after doing the visualization. What images did you see and how you felt when you saw your images, your own movie, and how you feeling about it. You must be feeling good about yourself when you seeing your own movie, and because it's happening already. The creation is already happening. So you have to give a time because any seed we plant in the ground, it takes 40 days to come out of the ground, and then we have to fertilize it, we have to water it, we have to take the weeds out, and we have to take care of that the seeds. And same process, the goals we are going to plant in the subconscious mind, and we have to fertilize it as focus, and then we have to see yourself. You are living and you're creating that images the way you want to see, and then you have to keep doing that every moment, every single day, every day, and then start all over again 40 days. And when you become that seed, when you become that person, definitely you're going to see the results. So this is what the process is. So this is what I have learned from my mentors. This is what I'm sharing with you, what I have learned. And this is what my mentor taught this more than 60 years because he worked, still working. I'm using visualization all the time, the way I want to see uh, uh, my house, the way I want to see the things. So always visualization, I do the visualization, and you can start doing that also. So now you got you got the tools and you can start doing the visualization. So yeah, I think that's all I wanted to share with you, how to do a visualization. And hopefully you're going to start using every single day and doing the visualization. And please leave your comments, and you can uh, uh, post the comments on the Facebook, and how you felt doing the visualization and what did you see, and you can share it on the Facebook. And please leave your comments, and let's book the Zoom meeting to help you further, for with your goals as your business goals, personal goals or professional goals, and I can help you with that. So I would ask you to book on Zoom, and you can send me the message, then I can send you the Zoom link, and then we can start talking about your goals. Thank you for watching the YouTube. Please subscribe and leave your comments. Comments going to help me improve, of course. and leaving your comments, helping me. And ask questions. Asking questions is very important. If you're not going to ask questions, nothing going to happen, because cause and effect, you have to ask the question to get the answers. So I would suggest you to ask questions. So thank you for watching the YouTube, and have a great day. And your homework is start doing your visualization every single day, and playing your own movie as achieved goals. Thank you and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.